people, and welcome back to another lesson. In this one we're going to be looking at Red Hot Chili Peppers' I Could Have Lied off the Blood Sugar Sex Magik album. That was a bit of a tongue twister. Let's crack on and have a closer look, shall we? So the first riff goes like this. So let's break it down. It's not too difficult. You're going to play the stop there. You've got a hammer on from 0 to 2 on the A string. And then the open D, right? But you'll have your little finger, or your third if that's easier, but my little finger's way comfier, in the vicinity of the 4th fret on the D string, right? Because then you're going to do... Okay, so you're going to play, and if you're using your fingers to play this, which I am, it's thumb, first finger, thumb, first finger. Okay, so thumb's basically playing everything on the A string, first finger's playing most stuff on the D string. So once you've done the, you basically repeat the same pattern twice. Then on the last note, you slide up from the 4th to the 7th on the D. Then to the 5th fret on the D, right? And then if you slide that down 1 fret, now you've got 2 options here. Jon actually puts his thumb over the top play that bit, but you could use your first finger if that's comfier. And then you're going to also put your 3rd finger on the 5th fret, right? So 3, 4, 5 is what you're ultimately fretting. So again, really slowly. And that is it. A couple of fills. One of them's a bit more prevalent than the other. I think you'll hear this one. Okay, easiest way to play that is to flatten your finger there when you play that last 2nd note on the A string, right? Okay, and your finger will be roughly in the vicinity of the 4th fret there anyway, right? So, flatten. So that's the way I would play it. Flatten. Okay, and you can in fact keep your little finger or whatever you've got on the 4th fret there anyway. That stays there. Flatten your first finger, play the 2nd note on the A string again, and then play this triplet, and then the 4th fret with your thumb. So I'm using my 2nd finger there actually on this hand. So that again, and again. Then you go to that part again. One other teeny fill which comes out of the verse is first half of the riff is the same, but when you go to the, you do a little stab there on that G chord, right? And then you're going to play the open B with the G root note. And that's it for all the verse stuff. That fill comes in a bit later. I can't remember where exactly, but I thought I'd show you that. Then you're into the bridge. That goes like this. back in. So all you're doing there is some power chords, B to D, with a whack as you transition. So you're going to play. As I'm moving my fingers up to the D, you do another little rhythmic. And you've got for the last part of the rhythm. So that again is down, down, whack, up, down, down, up, down. So you're starting with 3 downstrokes, okay? The downstrokes on the whack as well. Down, down, whack, up, down, down, up, down. Then you've got which is 2 chords, like an A major, but with the B and the E string open. I think Jon actually frets that again, like that. But you can do either. And I think for the second chord, he doesn't hit the root note because you hear that. You hear that low note come in on the second stab. Okay, so slowly. And that's it. Goes around again. Now there's a fill before the chorus, which is so you basically just play a low E before you go into the E minor. All right. So that is. Now you might want to go to a plectrum for the rhythmic bits. I'm not going to bother, but if that's easier for you, then do that. And the chorus is. That's the first time round. Second time is the same first part. Just a slightly different rhythm the second time. So let's start with the first part. Down, down, up, down. Then you're going to move up to a D chord. And I'm playing that. My finger fits there neatly enough so that I play 10, 12, 12, 12, 10, right? So if you can do that, do it. It's quite hard on acoustic. If not, you might have to do your fingers like that. But I can't play that very well. So slowly. Then you go to a D chord. And move that down to a C chord. So that's just down, down, up, whack, down, down, down. Or down, up, down, whichever you prefer. Second time round, you're going to play. So that is just down, up, whack. And when you move to the C, it's down, up, down, down, up, down. All right? So slowly. And then back in. That's it. So there you have it, all the parts you need except the solo. If you want the solo, comment below. What I might do is just bunch all of the Red Hot Chili Peppers solos together because I think I've missed a couple of these out in my lessons. But anyway, comment below regardless. See you again soon. Cheers, bye-bye.